Welcome back to AR Gossips. Real name Mehmet Ozan Dulunay. Date of birth 2nd May 1990. Place of birth Ankara, Turkey. Family and background. Ozan comes from a family that encouraged his pursuit of higher education. Initially, he showed an interest in engineering but later transitioned to acting. Education Enka High School and Sliviland High School. He completed his primary and secondary education in Turkey and the US. Koç University. He studied mechanical engineering here, which shows his strong academic background, though his passion for acting led him to pursue a career in the arts. Acting training. While still in university, Ozan discovered his love for acting and began training at Craft Acting Workshop. His education in engineering gave him a methodological approach to his craft, and he refined his skills in acting alongside his academic pursuit. Career highlights. Early TV roles 2015 to 2016. Ozan made his television debut with the role of Baris in the Turkish TV series Tatlı Küçük Yalancılar. The series, based on the popular Pretty Little Liars, gave Ozan a platform to showcase his acting talent early on. 2016 Uyubuzan. He starred in this drama, which increased his recognition in the Turkish entertainment industry. Yüksek Sosyete. Ozan played an important role in this romantic comedy drama series, which brought him more attention from a broader audience. Major breakthrough 2017 to 2019. Lycée Devriese High School Patrol. Ozan played a central role in this high school drama. His performance as a character navigating challenges in a high school setting resonated with many young viewers, solidifying his presence in Turkish TV. 2018 Theatre Depth. Philology. Ozan took a significant step into the theatre world by starring in this intense play portraying Deve. This play is known for its challenging themes, and his performance received positive reviews. He was nominated for Best Young Talent at the 22nd FIFJIL Awards for this role, and also won Promising Actor of the Year at the Houston Ekman Awards in recognition of his talent. Breakthrough Role 2019 to 2020. Zalim Istanbul. Ozan gained widespread recognition in this drama series. The show, centered around family drama and power struggles, gave him significant exposure in Turkey and internationally. His character's evolution and the series' high rating helped him build a loyal fan base. His role was well received on social media, where fans expressed their admiration for his compelling portrayal of a complex character. Continued success 2021 to present. 2021 Busy Aryan Chizki, The Line That Separates Us. Ozan starred in this web series as Sinan. The series explored themes of love and personal dilemmas, and Ozan's performance once again demonstrated his versatility as an actor. Misafir. He also appeared in the TV series Misafir, playing an important role which continued to expand his reputation in the television industry. 2023 Merve Gul. Ozan played Anil Gorman in this film, which allowed him to explore different aspects of his acting abilities, moving beyond TV roles and into cinema. Dilek Tashe, The Wishing Stone. Ozan took on the character of Kinan in this drama series. The show featured him in a role that combined romance and personal struggles, adding to his already diverse portfolio of characters. Ozan Dolunay has a significant mark in the Turkish entertainment industry with his versatile acting skills and diverse roles. From his early days in television to his stage performances and successful TV series, he continued to grow as an actor. Despite his role to fame, he maintains a relatively private personal life, focusing on his career and artistic expression. Ozan's talent and dedication to his craft have earned him the admiration of fans both in Turkey and internationally. We can expect many more impressive performances from him in the years to come. Subscribe for more amazing videos.